Forms that have been shared with you via email will appear in your inbox. From here, you can open and complete the shared form. Once you've answered all the questions, you can submit the form or fill it out again if you wish. I shared a form with my colleague Julia via email. I'm now going to open Julia's inbox to find that email. I'm going to click on the Google page I have open in my taskbar, and I can see the first email she has in her inbox is my form. I'm going to click on that to open it. I can see that the subject line contains the title of my form, "We want to know about you." Below that there is a message that I added, "Hi Julia," and then the link to my form. I'm going to click on the link. The form has opened in a separate tab. At the top I can see the title of my form and the theme I chose for it. Below that is the message telling Julia that when she submits the form, the owner will be able to see her name and email address. And then we have the different types of questions. The first question is a text question, and to answer that she would need to type in her answer or copy and paste an answer that was prepared earlier. The next question was a rating question, and to answer that, click on one of the radio buttons under the rating scale 1 to 10. It could be number 6, for example. Below that is a date question. To answer the question, click on the calendar icon, and a calendar will appear, and then you can click on the date you want for your answer. To change month, you can either click on the arrow buttons on the right and left side of the calendar. If you want to change the year, you can click the drop-down menu button with the current year. I'm going to select the 23rd of November, and that has been automatically added as the answer. And below that is a ranking question. To change the order of the answer options, move the cursor over the different option and click on the arrow facing up or down, depending on where you want to position that option. If I click down, the third option has become the fourth option. And if I click on the upward facing arrow for option 3 and click on it twice, it goes up to the first position. And then finally, there are 3 multiple choice questions. And to answer those, click on the radio button on the left of each option. When you've answered all the questions that are either required or that you want to answer, and you scroll down to the bottom of the form, you'll see the Submit button. Submitting the form will send your responses to the owner of the form. After you click the button, the form will disappear and a thank you message will appear, telling you that your responses have been submitted, and below that you also